That way you get a success. Yeah. Oh, Moon if you get bumbo clap then. And you get X1 dimmer. Moon do 13 years. Hey, I not get my dark in a youth. I want to you.
Yeah, man, I'm going to take all this bumbo clap here for my face. So, you're not trouble, you know? Yeah, trouble there, you go on.
Them try for me not once but 4 times. It's a good thing, so me did no cry. Not talk with no spinners or no 4 or 5.
Crawler, you know. Me say, Fran, you silly. What do you when Lisa at the panic crawler? See me on the cartel, huh? Just I want the cartel and be a supportive system. As she come off my crawler, see me on the internet across everybody. As some mad people stay. He coming like Rose or expert, them, you know. Mad people can't tame. Me and Sheba, you know. Yeah, Sheba, you know. You can't chase sheep in the wood. You can't chase wolf in sheep clothing, you know. You can't chase Sheba. Tommy. Who don't know no hypocrite monks who know one another long time? Who don't know like who know one another when walk and go to the one another pocket? Sheba, shut the fuck up. Where you Lisa Hype feature there? You rate Lisa Hype? Long time on a rate to no one another. Talking.
You nation walk once about Adriel back in the building with another episode. Lisa Hyper mad at Vybz Kartel for some reason. I don't know. Some people are saying Lisa Hyper go through another episode, you know what I mean, which they are saying that Lisa Hyper get juked from them people they up so every now and then our head shell out, you see me? But here we are going now. We're gonna talk about Lisa Hyper saying that she's mad that Vybz Kartel even buy Siva, the most loyalist, a X1, and buy Mooney, a Bima. Something wrong. So Lisa Hyper never really like that cause me here say Lisa Hyper say Mooney inform pan her say she a try pick Vybz Kartel bag at Boom Sunday the other day. Let's take a listen.
Boy get bumbo clap bench. Trying to make my book him on the road too. Informer pussy or money. What do you when them put out video about me and thief money out of the G bag? After me I try all the bumbo all feed not drop off a stage. Yo, batty boy money. Send the video to the man and tell the man boy watch ya. My little and them can own bumbo clap money. A bank all my money for me. I hardly spend here and them something. Them not buy them bumbo clap something. They bank all my money. And me I invest in my career right now. I want to know. Me now wear wig and eyelash and them something unless me I do video shoot, photo shoot, or me I go interview. Otherwise from that, me look like a mad homeless blood clot girl and I so me love it.
Nation, them say a Vybz Kartel make a rum with Lisa Hyper a drink, but it no seems like a Mooney alone Lisa Hyper have a problem. It seems like Lisa Hyper have a problem with the Gaza boss Vybz Kartel himself, you see me? Maybe Vybz Kartel they promise Lisa Hyper one of them Benz there, or one of them bingo there, you know, you want a chance time of. You see me? I say maybe she did forget one of them thing there, but Vybz Kartel buy Mooney and Mad Sus Bima and things, so maybe Lisa Hyper feel like say yeah and man she don't get fair share and she do liar with Vybz Kartel. According to Lisa Hyper from she a teen she know Vybz Kartel, you know what I mean, and I just know. But we're gonna take a listen at what Pretti Don have to say about this whole situation, cause you know say Pretti Don not really normal when it come to beating people and teach them, you know what I mean, with our book, a hot tile.
You see pill? You see when doctor give them? You take them bitch. You see if you not take your pill them, you have a relapse, dirty blood clot, Lisa Hype. Lisa Hype, you a relapse. 2 years ago, then catch you and juke you. Then catch you and juke you for up a blood clot Bellevue. When time they juke you up here, they have you and your father up there as two madman and mad woman. And when time you up there, I say, we sympathize with you in your madness. And baptize your left, go baptize. Woman, hold you wet from head to toe, to the sole of your feet. And we then we ball with you on social media. And we say, alright, see you finally, you take up yourself in a hand then. See you finally, I say, alright then. Me go take me medication then. When me look cartel come out of jail, your blood clot relapse. The first relapse, your relapse, I want to go up and fuck out Quran show. Big pussy Shelly Quran. Fuck out, hates the whole Cyril Quran, fuck the whole business. Think pussy Quran. Frank Cartel, come out of jail, me no hear you back on the man named Suckud girl. Think pussy Quran. Water infested in your dirty stinking hole. Your hole coming like a water bed, dirty blood clot, miserable hole, fuck out girl. You go up on blood clot, Shelly Quran show, go tell how much in lie. Boy, you see this and you see that. When you look at Cartel and Shorty, that they in one place by themselves. That's how you relapse. Nobody never. And we say, alright, we all know Lisa, because you know, Lisa, we are going to end the thing them. Then, boom! Cartel and blood clot, Dexter, that's going to promise you GLE. 1, 2, no man. We don't stop promise hungry girl things where them not going to get, no please. Cartel him come out big and bossy. Them man never buy you one GLE. Rascal. See Lisa here. Okay, Max, get okay, alright. My time now. Oh, chance time, get okay. I mean, I like it, but my time next time, my time. You know my time will come. It's gonna be my time to shine. No, never bright. Oh, okay. How Mooney get Benz? Mooney? Designer, waste man, Mooney. Mooney did live up in a blood clot jail for 13 years. Who the fuck is Mooney? When Mooney I get blood clot Benz, Siva, my brother. I don't know what kind of cure that you get. Lisa, it take a mighty long to say that though, because that car is almost a month, whole month, 1 month, 2. Siva, I'm going, your sister gonna buy you a Jeep. Lisa, you're not getting any royalties, you know. When you're going to use buy Jeep, you can buy yourself a GLE. When you want to get money from, if you go buy Seanstown GLE. Seanstown, I do this styling thing. Because I don't know what kind of car that big pussy Lisa. Did you ever ask Siva Sif? Say, Siva Sif, do you like this car? Are you choosing? This was your dream car? No, you're not ask Siva Sif, but you come, you make up your nice. Me say me never see the day where you would have turned pan Cartel. 1 car. 1 car. Lisa, can you drive? Do you have a license? Your license? Where did I go use by the GLE, the blood clot? Me want which royalties you will get. No Cartel, I get all on the royalties them. Every song I want to sing in a blood clot empire of the Cartel. Every bum, yeah. You one of them. Every fucking one. A Cartel and load and get the pussy clot royalties. So when you did I go use the fund this GLE if the bomber clot Siva Sif? He broke Lisa. Why you come a freak out on the internet like that? You're freaking out, bitch. Me say you're the only man them every day like Roland. And I man a armpit like a degree to blood clot like a suave. Me say when the bumbo clot is, no me see you flip the skirt. You turn, Cartel on the bumbo clot here. What kind of cat you buy you blood clot, Siva? So, who the fuck is Mooney? Fuck Mooney. Mooney a waste man. Yes. Mooney a waste man. Mooney a girl. You know Lisa hypertech pill. You know Lisa hype mad from him a go to school. You know. I can't tell see one lick Lisa hype chip, you know. Remember say Lisa born within chip lick. Say this is Lisa chip. But he lick. Born lick. He born lick. Boom. Lick. Zin. Start there with Cartel. But broke. So the chip was a bang lick. But broke. One time she start to fuck with Cartel. You feel like I deal with? No, me hit your lick. Why? It cause Vanessa bling. Move your cocky feelings. Blood clot and go for yourself. Cartel cocky lick your chip. You don't know what to do with your blood clot self. You hate headache girl when you hear say get lick a cocky from him. The reason you get up a cuss off blood clot, Vanessa Bling I don't even know. Bad to bad, Vanessa Bling no trouble people. What the fuck? Vanessa Bling, me not like you because you go on like you better than people. And that's why me not like you. Me not have no other reason why me not like you because you're better than a fucking body giant, Vanessa. I tell you that straight. You go on like you to kakati. And you suck so much cocky. Go suck for your more, man, girl. Me not like Vanessa Bling because girl too hype. What the fuck you have the hype, bro? You go on like you too much. You come like one of them poop there. We're silent and think you fuck. Who from us and suck your man and come down. You see me? When you get up a cuss, Vanessa Bling for me no know. You cuss, you disrespect. You carry on. Mooney, she come back, come answer. Mooney, you take a designer thing too far, you know. Not because you're a designer, you got trace like bitch. You come and make video with Benz, but oh, I see that the Benz is hotting up them head. Look at the Benz and what? You're a girl, my youth. Where you go toe-to-toe with girl for? As a cartel race you? No wild animal training. What kind of bitchery that you go do? You're a girl. Where you toe-to-toe with female for my youth? Eh? What do you my youth? You start being man boy and a man. Stand up.
I can understand what Pretti Don say, but I same thing everybody I say, you know what I mean? And you know, Pretti Don always beat and teach. But the conversation came back up with Kanye West and Justin Lilboa podcast. So Kanye said this. Take a listen.
Nemesis. Where's the movies if it ain't no Drake?
Yeah.
For me, it's like
So Kendrick killed Drake. He's dead.
yeah, for now. You know, you can't ever count out Steph Curry, and so that man might hit 200 points in one, you know, song or something. You know, Drake added something to the algorithm, to our frequency. He advanced us. Right. Future advanced us, and our Kendrick has now advanced the frequency. It's like if you rap against Kendrick, you will lose.
Oh,
this man does this. It's a difficult task, but perhaps it's something.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'm a psycho genius. So
yeah, there you have it. Do not rap against Kendrick Lamar.
unless you're a psycho genius
Unless
like
you're
me.
a psycho genius like Ye.
No, we all know Kanye is in his feelings from that beef with him and Drake. But Drake replied while Drake on tour at a show. Let's take a listen.
In case you didn't know what you were coming to tonight, my name is Drake. I started doing music in 2008. I come all the way from Toronto, Canada. The year is now 2025. And no matter what, Drizzy Drake is very much alive, and that's all thanks to you.
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch. Big up everybody we are share it. Is me I say me appreciate you all. You know what I mean. Until next time, guys, we out.